viewers. Today I will explain about the course which named Taseer Talaik Kasturi Sperm Growth Course offered by Taseer Dawakhana PVT Ltd. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you what is male infertility, why it happens, its symptoms, reason of this disease, indications, male infertility types, and how to cure the disease. Viewers, first of all, we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent and protected sex for at least 1 year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 50% of couples in the world are infertile. And there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle-stimulating hormone. In general, the normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then slowly declines. Testosterone level above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotrophic cells in the anterior pituitary gland. In males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called industrial cell stimulating hormone, it stimulates Leydig cells production of testosterone. For males, the normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international unit per liter. If luteinizing hormone levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle-stimulating hormone is a gonadotrophic synthesized and secreted by the gonadotrophic cells of anterior pituitary gland and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle-stimulating hormone level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international unit per milliliter. A high follicle-stimulating hormone level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle-stimulating hormone level in males may indicate problems with the pituitary gland in brain. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, here is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% fertile cases, male have infertility problems. A number of causes exist for the male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count, ability or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, conditions related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environmental elements. Where semen producing testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. Hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding the testicles. A hydrocele is a common in newborn and usually disappears without the treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury with the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that hold your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. There are three types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia, and acrospermia. Now I will tell you about what is azoospermia. Yes, azoospermia is the medical condition of a man whose semen contain no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia main cause is infection. It includes pus cells in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Second is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other sides of the sexual health of the men with this condition are typical. These include the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life, as I have explained. Normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 million. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in men. Physical disturbance is at a normal hormone level. I will tell you about the third infertility, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed through semen analysis with fertility staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of these, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not making these given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million sperm. If he has 50 million or less than 15 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical equation, we have a formula: 200 by 75% equal to 150 million active sperm, 200 by 70% equal to 140 million active sperm, 200 by 60% equal to 120 million active sperm. Whereas a man produces 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1947. You can recover from all the diseases by using Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientists of our institute Taseer Dawakhana were under the supervision of Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakeems with prolonged research. Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Pvt Ltd. Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, microspermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course is a special and expensive course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefit. Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course unique formulation contain safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredients in Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course highest quality and verified the purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Quality is to achieve the gain of centimeters in penis time, especially the great to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation duration problem, stiffness, length and weight problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course, add medication, avoid eating potatoes, beans, beef, all spicy and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and make you infertile, so avoid to do this thing. Quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility and any alcohol use can affect the health of a developing sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress and poorer result with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce the stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course and spend happy life with your complete family. So if your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Like Kasturi Sperm Growth course, which will cure all infertility disease and problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.